Some 2 or perhaps even 3 million work the swing shift in the megacity each day. Workers in government and the private sector who leave home between noontime and 3 in the afternoon and depart the workplace from 9 in the evening to 12 midnight. The MRT3 is extending its service hours at night, spells huge relief for tens, if not thousands, along nearly the entire stretch of EDSA wishing to get home earlier at night by riding the train. Our Clazel Pardilla has more.
This March, Jericho is expected to begin work as a security guard. He's sure to be home late at night. The good news, according to Malacanang, starting next week, the operating hours of the MRT3 will be extended. The Department of Transportation has directed the train services to run later into the night. Currently, the last train from North Avenue departs at 9:30 p.m., with the first train leaving at either 4:36 or 4:38 a.m., depending on whether it's a weekday or weekend.
Ayon sa DOTR, magsisimula na sa susunod na linggo ang mas mahabang oras ng operasyon ng MRT3 upang mas maging maginhawa ang biyahe ng mga pasahero.
Sa mga commuters, lalo po sa mga nag-MRT po, mas sabor po sa amin yun, ma'am, lalo po pag panggawi po kami, tapos then kahit uwi po, mas mabilis po yung biyahe namin, ma'am.
May masasakyan ako na hanggang ganyang oras is napakamalaking makakapagtipid talaga ako kasi pag gumagala ako is talagang nagbubuk ako para mas safe, no? Pero since nahahaba yung ating operating hours, para sa akin is sobrang malaking tipid talaga.
MRT3 will also increase the number of trains during peak hours or when passenger volume is high.
Layunin nitong mapabilis ang tinatawag na waiting time ng mga pasahero sa kanilang pagsakay at pagbaba, lalo na tuwing rush hour.
Ay ma'am, mas okay na po yan kasi ma'am, lalo po pag mas hassle po, pag siksikan po, nagtutulakan po, yun, nakakadisgrasya po pag ganun ma'am. Kaya mas okay na po na magdadagdag po. Ganun.
Clazel Pardilla, Balita Pambansa.